We're from an island where it's 85 degrees year-round, and we decided to compete in one of the coldest sport at the Olympics. It's August 6, 1962. Jamaica gained independence from Britain. February 1988, we declared independence from impossible. Some people celebrate freedom with a parade. We celebrated with a bobsled, man. You see, true independence isn't political. It's mental. It's the audacity to say your sport, your rules, our victory. We didn't just break barriers, we melted them with the Caribbean heat that day. We didn't just represent Jamaica at the Olympics though. We represented every dreamer who has ever been told their background was their limitation. That proved that geography is not destiny. So what impossible territory are you going to conquer today? Get to conquering and keep on pushing.